Hello, welcome back to Kev's Credit YouTube channel with your boy Credit K. Today, got my Outcast shirt on, got my brim looking real Andre 3 stackish. So we're gonna talk about these stacks. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, because I'm here with daily credit content for the masses. I'm here for you. And today it's going to be a business credit related video talking about the Nav Credit Boost. Yes, Nav Credit Boost. Looking like we're getting a little glare from the frizzane. So we're going to take these off and keep it moving. Now, the Nav Credit Boost is a product from nav.com. Everybody know I preach nav.com. It's a great way to monitor your business credit reports and scores. It's pretty much the Credit Karma of the business credit reporting world. And as well as they do monitor personal credit advantage scores, same way as Credit Karma does. But a unique feature that Nav has is the Nav Boost, which allows you to dive in further with your business credit score and accounts and seeing what all reporting, 24-hour alerts. What else? They give you $1 million identity theft if you select the $29 plan. Like I say, they have different tiers and different plans. And the free one, as you see, you don't really get too much one-on-one access to credit and lending specialists, which is pretty good. For a free service and some 24-hour access to TransUnion and access to Dun & Bradstreet. But with the Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax business reports, you don't get the full details. They give you a letter grade instead of a number, which a lot of the credit reporting agency actually go by, and what you need to know in order to be approved for the tier 2 and tier 3 cards that I mentioned and that a lot of you guys in the business credit world are looking for. But what I want to promote here today, which I'm not getting paid for, it's not an ad or anything, but something that helped me and help a lot of my business credit clients. And like I said, I have a mentorship program that I offer to all and that's interested in building business credit. So you can message me on this channel, leave a comment, or contact me on any social media platform at Credit K, and I will direct you to the business credit mentorship. But for this $39.99 plan, you are able to report these $39 payments to your business credit, Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax every month that you enroll in the program. Now, what I do is do the quarterly method. So you see, you get a little price break of 20% when you use that method. So it drops down to actually, so for 4 months you get it for $120. So it saves you about $10 a month doing the quarterly method. So that's what I do. I just go ahead and pay it for 4 months at a time. I did it for a whole year now, looking like I spent $400 for credit monitoring, but it's worth it because I know when to apply for certain cards and certain loans that don't require you to PG, such as Tripago, as well as Capital on Tap, as well as when I got my car through Alley, strictly through my business credit that I put on Turo, and I'm making additional money through that. So I'll be able to build my business credit. That $100 payment went a long way in regards to me getting more credit cards, getting vehicles for my business, and other things of that nature. So I advise everybody to take advantage of this business boost here. And additionally, this business loan builder, which gives you a additional score, the small business score service. So that is an additional service that you will get for sign up for the 49 plan. But all I suggest is the $39 plan. So go to nav.com, sign up, make a free account, and then go and add the boost for $39.99. And I promise you, you won't be disappointed. So as always, thank you for tuning in to Credit K, my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video, share